These sausage patties are both vegan and gluten-free. Combine these ingredients in a food processor. 2 cups of cooked brown rice, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 3 tablespoons tamari, 2 teaspoons of liquid smoke, 1/3 cup unsweetened applesauce, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of rubbed sage, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of thyme and fennel seeds, ½ teaspoon each of black pepper, cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, and nutmeg, 1½ cup of whole oats. Process until smooth. Drop rounded spoonfuls into a heated non-stick skillet. Flip with a rubber spatula after 2 to 3 minutes and continue cooking until both sides are evenly brown. See my oat biscuit recipe to complete this pairing. Thank you, and please subscribe for more videos.